Welcome to the series Master EComposer Elements. Today's video will show you in detail how to create a Shopify Advanced Image. Images play a crucial role on your sales page. They help showcase products clearly and draw in customers. In this video, we'll show you how to take your images to the next level with Advanced Image Element in EComposer. You can effortlessly engage customers by revealing a different image, showing lightbox, or displaying interesting visual effects when they hover over any image on your website. Okay, let's start creating an advanced image for your online store by EComposer right now. Now, go to the Shopify dashboard, select App, and open EComposer Landing Page Builder. In case you haven't installed the app, you can find the link to EComposer on Shopify App Store in this video description. To create a Shopify Advanced Image, you need to open the EComposer editor. You can choose Start Building to create a new page or select an existing template you created. Here I will pick my editing homepage. Welcome to EComposer Editor. Now, locate the location where you want to add Advanced Image. In this video, I will add it in the banner section. This makes my banner more eye-catching. I will add a column in the banner section. Next, I'll find Advanced Image. Then drag and drop it here. This is the display of the Advanced Image element when added to the EComposer editor. Now, we will configure this element. Let's start with the Content tab. The Content tab is divided into three parts: General, Image, and Hover Image. With General, you can decide the display mode of Advanced Image. After clicking on the image, you can open it in a lightbox or redirect customers to another link. We have three options for it: Default, Media File, and Custom URL. When you select the default option, you can enable overlays and add captions to images. Overlay is a semi-transparent layer that sits on top of an image and can be used to add text or other design elements. If you want to add a caption to your image, click Use Image Caption here. A caption is a text description that appears below the image and can be used to provide additional information about the image or credit the image's source. When this option is enabled, you can enter the subtitle text in the field provided, and it will display below the image. With Media File, you have the additional option of opening images in a lightbox. When customers click on the image, a pop-up with a sharp image will appear. The third option is Custom URL. This option allows your customers to navigate to another page when they click on the image. You just need to add the link you want to go to here. So when customers click on the image, they will be redirected to another page. You can also show the button for the link by clicking Show As Button. Then, the Setup button will appear below. Note that you must turn on overlay required to use this option. To set up the link, you need to click on the settings icon here. Next is part 2 of the Content tab images. In this section, you can easily select the image you want to display here and crop the size to fit your page. The third part is Hover Image. You need to tick the Display Hover Image box to enable this feature. Next, similar to the image section, you just need to change the image and adjust the size to suit your website. It's all about the Content tab. Now switch to the Design tab. The Design tab is divided into two main parts: Image and Hover Image. If you use Image Caption, in the Design tab, the Caption Design section will be displayed. The Image section allows you to set the width, maximum width, and height of the image. You can also adjust image fit. There are 5 options: None, Fill, Contain, Cover, Scale down, suitable for all image containers. You can set opacity, CSS filter, box shadow, border, and border radius for both normal and hover mode. With Hover Image, you can set image fit, opacity, animation, and transition durations. And if you use Image Caption, in this section, you can choose the font, color, and display style for your caption. Now I'm going to edit my advanced element a bit. I have completed my advanced image. How do you feel? To finish editing, I need to select Save and publish this page. Alright, I have successfully added an advanced image element to my page. Let's check it out. That is the end of today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe button for our channel. If you don't have a Shopify account, feel free to click on the link we attached in the description below. The newest Shopify exclusive deal is waiting for you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or join the EComposer community to get quick support and the latest updates. I'm putting the details in the description below. See you next time.